Hello. Today we are going to talk about uh, library functions in brief. So, what are the functions? They are the block of statements used to perform particular tasks or the specific tasks. So, basically, we have two types of functions. First, it is called library. It's called library because it exists inside the interpreter or the compiler inside the computer, we can say. And next function is user defined. Actually it don't exist inside the computer. The programmers, they have to make themselves, so it is called user defined. Right now we are going to talk about the library function. So library means inbuilt, given by the computers, already existing inside the computers, and whenever we need that, we have to use this library function. Okay, some or we said that there are many functions in Qbasic, like we can say the int, like square, like len, and many others there. Some are given here. Len means to find the length of a string. Similarly, left means taking some characters from the left side of a given string. So here is a syntax, string and the number of characters, that is for n. Right means take some characters from the right of a given string. Syntax is very simple. Yes. Next is a mid. Mid means from particular location we can extract some characters, so that is for mid function. Yes, since it is for string, so we have to use the $sign, and here is a syntax, string expression, then the starting point from where we want to extract characters, and length means how many characters we want to extract, so that is for length. So these are the, and some more library functions are CSR. Actually, what is this CSR? So it is also a function, and it returns one character string whose ASCII code is the argument. Okay, so here is the code. Numeric expression, that is a value between 0 and 255. That's all. Next is ASC. It gives the ASCII value. Yes, a code for the first character in a given expression, a string expression. It gives a character. CSR gives the character. It gives the ASCII value. Val, actually it gives a numeric value for the string of digits, so that is val function. And str, it returns a string representation of the value of numeric expression here, like this here. C dollar equals to 7. If we want to convert the numeric value into string, then we have to use the str function. Yes, look here. So 788, so that is 78. This is 11. This is 78, and many others. This is for the space, and many others are there. String function is there, and this string function, it simply returns a string whose characters all have a given ASCII code, for the whose characters are all the first character of a string expression there. So what is this here? M, a numeric expression, is the length of string to return there, and a numeric expression, that is an integer value between 0 and 255, and this string is the variable we are going to use in this function. Here is an example there. Suppose 65 is there. Yes, and what is the 65? That is for A, and it will repeat there 4 times. Nepal, actually the first character N, it will repeat 2 times. Yes or no? And there are many others here. Date means to return a date of the system. So for that, simply we have to use the date $. That's all there. Similarly, next is a time, means if we want to view the time, then we have to use the time function there, and for that we have to use the time $. Next is LTRIM. So what is this? It is a function that returns a copy of a string with leading spaces and removed. Okay, RT means that it's a string with trailing right hand spaces removed. So look here, RT means here is a one variable, here is a bitrate number. So what b dollar is doing here? B dollar LTRIM B dollar C dollar RTRIM C dollar. So what it does there? LTRIM, it removes the left side, yes or no, and it removes the space from the right side. Okay, and there are many other mathematical functions. AVS to find the absolute value, SCN to return the sign, similarly square to return the square root, int to return the integer value, and many others. Fix, it returns a truncated part of the integer. Cint converts the numeric expression to integer by rounding the fractional layer. Okay, sine, it gives a sine value, and many others. Say cos value, tan value, and many others there. Now let's see some using the programs. Tab, actually horizontally we can do the shift with some spaces there. In normal mode it is 80, but we can change it. So this is how we use it here. Locate, we want to shift the cursor to particular location, we can use this one. Yes. Now let's see some more some programs here. Okay, let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, look here. First is K. For the left, it is taking two characters on the left side, right du from the right side, mid two characters from the second position, that is 80, and next we are getting the using char ASC, it is returning the 2 here. So first is here K. Yes or no? What is ASCII value of K? That is ASCII value of 2, we can say there, that is 97. Yes, so that's all, but it is not giving the output of char. Look here. So what is the problem here? CHR CHR. Okay, let's run it now. Here is the output. Yes or no? 65 means A, and that's all. So these all are the string functions. Similarly, we can also use some mathematical library functions like finding square root, integer, absolute, and so on. I hope you saw this one. Any confusion, let me know. Well, thank you. Just stay tuned, some more videos are coming.